You're sure happy. You're a happy girl. What's going on with your feet? What's going on? Did Craig get you some ridiculous footwear? Yeah. Oh, hi. Come on. Come here. Come here. She's like, are you kidding? I'm so not walking in these, but I'm happy. Come on, Dee Dee. Come here. Come here, Dee Dee. Dahlia, come on. Come on. Come here. She's like, I am so biting these off. Dee Dee, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. She's like, I am not taking one step. Are you crazy? Polo is so jealous. Come on. Come on. Look at she's doing the sideways stance. Her tail's still wagging. She's like, I'm still cool. I'm still cool. I'm still keeping my shit together. Dee Dee.
My shit's tight.
Come on. Come on. What's up with your shoes? Those are really bad. They're pink. And they have zippers. And they're really ugly. Come on. She's like, I'm not walking. Come on, Dee Dee. Come here, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Oh. 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 So sorry. It's all your fault. Tell us where you got these.
At Ross. Ross.
What do you call it?
Cross dress for less.
Yeah, that's right.
He's like, oh, that Friday the 13th stuff is fucking true.
Friday the 13th sucked.
Look what happened to me.
Come here, Dee Dee. Come on, Dee Dee. Come on. Come on. Come on. Cookies. Let's get cookies. Come on. Come on. Oh, Ollie wants a cookies. Paddles wants a cookies. Cookies. Oh.
Here she goes.
She's like, fuck you guys.
Moon Prince.
Moon Prince.
They're so ridiculous.
They are. I curse the person who invented them.
It's just so ridiculous.
Oh, Dee Dee, you're such a trooper. Okay, you had enough? Can we turn it off? She's like, okay.